Hey, so today we are playing another old version of SyndiCar Drive. This is 0.3. The last version I played was 0.21, and the version before that was the latest version, 0.41. So we're kind of exploring SyndiCar Drive, not gonna lie, and we're going to check out the maps, the vehicles. Well, not all maps and not all vehicles. I will do different parts, just like the other SyndiCar Drive, car crash games videos. And this exclamation mark means that you need to have a powerful device. It literally says it right in front of your face. But I have a powerful device, and so we're just going to test the vehicles, how strong they are. We're going to crash because that's what this game was made for. I'm going to do basic stuff. And before you say, this is fake SyndiCar Drive 0.3, there is no man a truck. Before you say that in the comments, they actually removed the truck from the game. Probably because it was causing lag or something. And we're just going to spawn a vehicle. We're going to spawn this pickup truck. We're not going to choose any color. And we're going to crash. Now, not going to lie, the camera can sometimes be a little wonky, kind of. And there's also an Easter egg I noticed. Well, I mean, I didn't notice it directly. Someone else noticed it and I decided to explode it. So credit to the guy that actually knew about this Easter egg. But I don't know his name. So basically it was like the pyramids on this map. And if you go down, there's anime posters. I'm going to share it in later parts, maybe. And, yeah. And, by the way, you cannot activate the lights on this police car. They made so you can activate the police lights in a 0.3 remake. So, this is 0.3, but, that one where you can turn on the lights is 0.3 remake, and after that it's 0.41. I know it's a little bit wonky, but it's like that. And obviously we're going to drive. Oh yeah, I'm a pro at drifting. I'm just doing some random shit with my vehicle. None of this makes sense, probably. So, yeah. And by the way, I feel like the vehicle that has the most configurations is either this or this. I don't know which one has more. I mean, to me, it looks like the same number. So, and I don't know why the G-3110 is the only one with the SyndiCar Drive logo. Maybe it's a bug, I don't know. But let's see how fast can these Soviet cars go. Now, probably not that fast because it was made like in the 1960s, 70s, or 80s. And in the 0.3 remake, this car is called the Rekka Mini. You know, I feel like the 0.3 remake has to be one of the worst updates that Syndy made. They removed 90% of the vehicles. They only left a couple. But then in 0.41, they added all the vehicles again. Well, not all the vehicles, but they added more vehicles. For example, the Falcon J series. The Falcon J series is here. And I don't like the update where they removed this, they removed this. But in 0.41, this vehicle is available. just not the monster version. You know what? Let's spawn in the monster version. I look epic. Now this thing probably goes as fast as the BeamNG Drive monster truck, which is really slow. So it goes as fast as the BeamNG version. This game really is trying to be full-on BeamNG, huh? Well, I mean, probably the best soft body car crash game for Android. I don't know if it's available for iOS. I don't think it is. And what the fuck? How did my wheel get destroyed? I wasn't even paying attention. How is that possible? Now you can see that this vehicle has some text, which I obviously don't know. I think it says flammable or dangerous or something like that. But yeah, this also goes pretty slow because it was made in the Soviet Union. By the way, I hate communism. Also, what? Is the text glitch? I think the text is glitched. Something definitely happened. We're going to spawn the other one that can burn, but this one doesn't have any text, which for me is weird. By the way, if you hear a clock, that's totally normal. Now, you're going to take a listen. We're going to smell the sounds. I'm just playing not smell, hear the sounds. So yeah, that was that. Now, that wasn't all the vehicles. I mean, I'm not going to record all the sounds of all the vehicles. So we're going to have to make a free IndyCar drives, looks like. Okay, this shit is starting to get complicated. And the Tomoka Tofu, which is based off a Japanese vehicle. It has some few configurations, the cab and the hatchback, drift versions of both of those vehicles. Now the MAN truck was probably my favorite vehicle in this version before they removed it. It's pretty sad that they removed it. I hope the MAN truck makes a comeback in a IndyCar Drive update. Maybe IndyCar Drive can make a 2020 free rewind, which includes all the 2020 free vehicles from this version and previous versions. I feel like that could be a smart idea. Now this is a box truck. There's no logo on it, obviously. Well, I mean, I don't know why there is no logo here because copyright things do not exist on games. So I don't know why there's no logo. Can you at least put like the FedEx logo? Oh no, failed delivery. Kind of reminds me of Turbo Dismount. I played Turbo Dismount before I had a channel, and I've recently found out they released a second version of it, and I did not play it yet. I haven't played Turbo Dismount in a long time. Oh, yeah? But Turbo Dismount is not for this video. It's a IndyCar Drive video. And this is, like the van version, I guess. Let's jump off a ramp. Oof. That didn't do that much damage. Also, I think the new vehicles have like clouds in the image. For example, this doesn't have any clouds, but this does, probably because it's the new vehicle. And this is also the new vehicle, and it has clouds. And this is also the new vehicle, but there's clouds. So I think the clouds are only on the vehicles that are new. Well, except for the Tomoka Samurai. I don't know why it has clouds, because it's definitely not a new vehicle. Maybe there's a new configuration, and oh, there's not. You know, let's just drift, because why not? See how the camera glitches out? That's what I'm talking about, a wonky camera. Yeah, it's pretty weird. And I guess that was it for this video. Goodbye, hope you enjoyed it. You do not have to like the video. Goodbye.